Hey gang, got an exciting new release today. 2018 Leaf Valiant Baseball. I'm not sure exactly why this is 2018 version. I mean, I know some products are still being labeled 2018, but I mean, we're already at March. We're already in March, so it's kind of weird. But anyways, I'm happy because 2018 means the 2018 rookie checklist, which is a good one. I mean, 2019 may turn out to be good, but right now we don't really know that, and we know 2018 is a good one. So each box has 4 Valiant rookie autographed cards and 1 Valiant autographed rookie card graded BGS 9.5, 10, or the BGS Black Label 10, which is supposed to be like, I don't know, best of the best. So without further ado, let's get into one of these and see what we get. So 5 total cards, all autographed, 1 graded well. Love to get Acuna, Glaber, Albies, Ohtani. Who else? Man, there's a lot in this rookie class. A lot of potential. I forgot I gotta do this. Hang on, let's see if I can pull them out without looking at what I've got here. I want to be surprised too. Alright, I'm gonna set. I'll put the top back on the graded card and leave it in there for now. And I'm just gonna pull these from the side, I guess, without looking at them. Alright. Well, great start. Robert, Rising Stock. I hate the way these cases are always filthy as crap. But anyways, it's a really good start. And it's numbered out of 99. So, yay. It's a great first hit. Alright. Moving on. What we got over here? Grant Levine. Again, green. Let's see. This is also numbered 99. Man, I love Leaf cards. They look so good. Look, the chrome cards. Number 3 is Grenier. Or Grenier. Numbered out of 15. This is a good card, too. Man, so far this has been a good box. Alright, number 4 is Wander Franco. I just saw a Donruss insert with him on the back. He was paired up with Trevor Story? No. Who was he paired? He was paired up with somebody. Oh, Trey Turner. He was paired up with Trey Turner. Again, numbered out of 99 because it's green. Alright, let's look at our graded card. So far, so good. If the graded card's decent, this will be a good box. Well, I don't know this guy. Taylor Widener. I may have heard of him before, but I don't think I have. So it's a 9.5 Gem Mint. Let's pull it out of here and take a closer look. Numbered out of 99, of course. That's a shame, is that, you know, with all the potential, I just got the one out of 99. But who knows? Just because I don't know this guy doesn't mean he's not gonna be something great. But still happy with the box overall. I know a lot of people prefer PSA over Beckett, but I still like Beckett's really sturdy holders. Alright, I'm not going to drag this video out. All my yapping. But I do have the other one, so watch for that video to post soon. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, turn your notifications so you'll be notified with each new break. And that's it for now. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll be back soon.